I'm gonna show you about the Little Misses. First, let's go to Little Miss Bossy, Little Miss Naughty, Little Miss Neat, Little Miss Sunshine, Little Miss Tiny, Little Miss Trouble, Little Miss Giggles, Little Miss Helpful, Little Miss Magic, Little Miss Shy, Little Miss Splendid, Little Miss Twins, Little Miss Checkerbox, Little Miss Dotty, Little Miss Late, Little Miss Lucky, Little Miss Scatterbrain, Little Miss Star, Little Miss Busy, Little Miss Quick, Little Miss Wise, Little Miss Tidy, Little Miss Greedy, Little Miss Ficus, Little Miss Branny, Little Miss Stubborn, Little Miss Curious, Little Miss Fun, Little Miss Contrary, Little Miss Somersault. Okay guys, please like and subscribe my video guys. So bye.